Okay, this is my little alcohol stove that I made out of a soda can. So I'm gonna set it here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of denatured alcohol into it. Doesn't need a lot. And then I'll get a lighter, and I've got 250 milliliters of water right here. 250 milliliters in this little cup, and I'm going to try to heat it up and see how long it takes. So it takes a bit for the stove to go. Kind of hard to, here I'm going to have to set the camera down. There it goes. Now it's hard to see that. I don't know if the light out will. Yeah. Now eventually, as it gets hot, you see it's going to start coming out those holes as the alcohol starts evaporating. See, there it goes. And then I'm going to pull out my timer from my phone. See, that's really going to town. I better move that back a ways. Oh, somehow I got mirror image on my phone. I don't know how I did that. That's pretty odd. Huh, now it's better. I think my phone is maybe on its way out. It was doing some other weird things tonight. So I want stopwatch, stopwatch, stopwatch. There it is. Okay, so now when I set this over the stove, that middle part's going to not be able to burn anymore. And I'm going to start my stopwatch. Okay. Gonna see how long it takes. Probably a little bit wider cup wouldn't be a bad idea, so the flame hits just the bottom instead of going up the sides. But I like this cup because it's small and fits in my survival kit. Starting to get some bubbles on the bottom. There's nothing more exciting than watching water boil. So I can fit that right here in my survival kit, which has a variety of things like an emergency, like space blanket, sleeping bag, and a handkerchief, a headlamp, food, some medical stuff, fire starters, denatured alcohol for burning the stove, a medical kit. I've got some hand warmers in the back. In the front I've got my Swiss Army knife, compass, mosquito repellent, cigarette lighter, for fires, not for cigarettes. Ah, starting to see some action here. What else do we have? Cord. Pretty strong for lashing things together or hanging stuff. Steel wool. This stuff actually is, believe it or not, for starting fires. You get a spark on that and blow on it, and it becomes red hot, crazy hot, really fast. So that's the stuff I try to take with me whenever I go out. So we're more or less boiling here, but not a good hard boil yet. So we're at, I'd say now, that's a full boil at 3 minutes 40 seconds. So 3 minutes 40 seconds to a full boil. I'm gonna say that's not too bad. Now, to get the stove out, I think I can blow it out. And it's just that easy. I love free backpacking gear.